Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Hitch carrier is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone who loves to travel with their mobility devices, motorcycles, or any other recreational equipment, offering a robust and convenient solution to transport your gear without occupying valuable space inside your vehicle, ensuring that your adventures are never limited by the capacity of your trunk or cargo area. Number 5. MaxxHaul 80779, Aluminum Hitch Mount Mobility Carrier. This carrier is designed to fit all 2x2 Class 3 and 4 hitch receivers. It offers versatile compatibility with a wide variety of vehicles. With a maximum distributed weight capacity of 500 pounds, it allows you to transport a range of items or loads with ease. Crafted from lightweight, rust-proof aluminum, it is easy to clean and maintain. Its anchor points enhance security for your loads, ensuring a reliable transport experience. Equipped with reflectors, it contributes to increased visibility on the road. This enhances safety for both you and other motorists. It features high side rails that provide added security for your cargo during transport. This minimizes the risk of items shifting or falling off. Please note that the ramp of this carrier does not fold down. Be aware of this feature when planning your usage. What we like. This carrier boasts a durable aluminum construction, making it lightweight and rust-proof for easy maintenance. Its high side rails offer excellent security for your cargo. If you prioritize a long-lasting, easy-to-care-for option with enhanced safety features, this is a great choice for transporting mobility devices or other gear. What people say. The ramp is wide enough for my scooter, and it locks securely into place. It was easy to assemble and attach to my hitch. The carrier feels very sturdy and well-made. Number 4. Silver Spring Folding Steel Wheelchair Carrier with Ramp. Easily transport your scooter or wheelchair behind your vehicle. It's designed for hassle-free travel with any vehicle equipped with a Class 3 or 4 2-inch hitch receiver. When not in use, it conveniently folds upright against your vehicle. This makes parking and garage access much easier without needing to remove it. Travel with confidence thanks to the anti-rattle device, hitch pin, and ergonomic pull pin. With 10 tie-down points, your cargo will be transported securely. Built from sturdy, powder-coated steel, this carrier is made to last. It has a 500 pounds weight capacity, ensuring reliability for regular use. The included ramp allows for smooth loading and unloading of your mobility device. It folds flat when not in use, providing easy access to your vehicle's tailgate or hatch. What we like. This carrier offers a fantastic space-saving design, folding upright against your vehicle when not in use, which is perfect for easier parking and garage access. The included anti-rattle device ensures a quiet and stable ride. If you're looking for convenience and ease of storage without sacrificing security, this foldable option is ideal for frequent use. What people say. This is a manual ramp, no electrics for lift or for lights. It has a few good features such as the folding ramp and a very good locking mechanism for it. It feels extremely sturdy and there's no doubt in my mind that this could hold more than like 500 lbs on it. Number 3. Goplus 50 Folding Mobility Scooter Carrier. This carrier is designed to fit any standard 2-inch hitch receiver. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles like trucks, vans, and SUVs. Built with a strong, rust-proof metal frame, it can support up to 500 pounds. This makes it perfect for carrying scooters, tools, or camping gear. Easily load and unload your items with the included ramp. When not in use, it conveniently folds up for simple storage and parking. Safety is prioritized with double reflectors for visibility at night. The raised side rails also help keep your cargo secure during transit. It comes complete with an anti-rattle stabilizer to minimize noise and wobble. 2 tie-down straps are also provided to ensure your items stay firmly in place. What we like. This carrier is a great option for those who value security and ease of use. It includes an anti-rattle stabilizer to minimize noise and wobble during transit, and dual reflectors for enhanced nighttime visibility. If you often travel at dusk or night, or simply want a more stable and quieter hauling experience, this carrier provides peace of mind. What people say. Very sturdy metal. Very durable and definitely can be used for more than just a mobile chair. Perfect size for my trash can plus extra bags, ramp folds in out easily, whole rack folds up down easily, and it stays secure down bumpy roads and main roads without making a racket. It is well made, easy to assemble and easy to raise and lower. It doesn't rattle or shake at all. Number 2. Hitch mount steel cargo carrier with wheelchair ramp. Introducing our robust steel cargo carrier, built for strength and durability. It boasts a high loading capacity, perfect for your heaviest hauls. Designed with high side rails and an adjustable limit switch, it ensures your cargo stays secure. Enjoy enhanced stability and peace of mind on every trip. This carrier is incredibly adaptable, featuring a folding shank for convenient storage. It's ideal for transporting a variety of items, from lawn equipment to mobility devices. Loading your equipment is a breeze with the included 49-inch folding ramp. Extra support bars make it stable and durable for all your needs. Assembly is quick and easy with its strong bolt-together design. It fits securely into a 2-inch hitch receiver, preventing any unwanted movement. When not in use, it can be conveniently folded up. The new folding slot offers flexibility for storage, making it a practical choice. What we like. This carrier features a unique angled shank that allows for adjustable distance from your vehicle, offering more flexibility in installation and storage. Its robust bolt-together design ensures a strong connection. If you need a highly adaptable carrier that can be easily adjusted to your specific needs and vehicle, this one provides excellent stability and a secure setup. What people say. The carrier is very sturdy and well built. It holds my scooter securely and the ramp makes loading and unloading a breeze. I love the design of this carrier. The ramp is wide enough for my scooter and it folds up neatly when not in use. The hitch attachment is also very secure. This carrier is a game changer for me. It's easy to assemble and use, and it has made transporting my scooter so much simpler. The ramp is a great feature. Number 1. MaxxHaul 70275 Aluminum Hitch Mount Mobility Carrier. Meet the MaxxHaul 70275, your reliable solution for transporting mobility devices. This hitch-mounted carrier is designed for convenience and durability. With its generous dimensions of 53.5 x 29.75, it easily accommodates most wheelchairs and mobility scooters. The sturdy construction ensures your cargo stays secure during transit. Loading and unloading is a breeze thanks to the included 60 folding ramp. Its design allows for easy access, making it simple to get your equipment in and out. This carrier boasts a robust 500 pounds capacity, perfect for trucks, SUVs, vans, and RVs. It fits standard 2 Class 3-4 receivers, offering broad compatibility. Crafted from lightweight, extruded aluminum, this carrier is resistant to corrosion and easy to handle. Its robust build ensures longevity and reliable performance. Safety is paramount with integrated reflectors for increased visibility on the road. The closer rungs are ideal for smaller wheeled equipment, and anchor points secure your load effectively. What we like. This carrier is constructed from lightweight, corrosion-resistant aluminum, making it easy to handle and maintain. It features an extra-wide bed to accommodate most mobility devices and a convenient folding ramp for easy loading. If you need a spacious and lightweight carrier that's built to last and simplifies the loading process, this is an excellent choice for various vehicles. What people say. The ramp works well, but it is harder to load on the taller F-150. Unlike the HF ramp, this ramp has plenty of crossmembers in the ramp, allowing equipment to be loaded easily. The ramp does come with an anti-rotational device for the receiver hitch, as well as 2 reflectors for the rear end. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.